Shenandoah, I long to see you away. You're rolling river, oh Shenandoah, I long to hear you away. I'm bound away across the wide Missouri.
What a difference a day makes. 24 little hours that brought the sun and the flowers where there used to be rain. My yesterday was blue, dear, and today I am a part of you, dear. My lonely nights are through, dear, since you said you were mine. What a difference.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see, no, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me, stand by me. Must be a million boys living in a great big city. I know that one of them is just right for me. I look up, down, 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 all around searching. I know he's out there waiting for me. I know somewhere somebody
belongs to somebody.
Somewhere somebody,
someone to
waiting for me. Somewhere somebody
Free.
searching, praying. Tell me what the world. You know the street lights shine and passing faces.
Waste my time.
I'm just trying to catch somebody's eye. But all that should have been, the would have been, might have been, and the could have been, are slipping away. And they walk right on by. I know somewhere somebody
belongs to somebody.
I don't know why I didn't come. I left you by the house of fun. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day, I wish that I could fly away. Instead of kneeling in the sand, catching teardrops in my hand. My heart is I would die in ecstasy, but I'll be a bag of bones, driving down the road alone. My heart is drenched in wine. Taking a trip down memory lane, things have changed, one thing remains, that they will always have each other. And even though those days have gone, they know here is where they belong. There's some kind of magic in the air. Feel the warmth that only summer breezes can bring. Sweet little notes of spring begin. Nothing to fear. Taking one step at a time, walking hand in hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, cheek to cheek, and they're learning how to do